Hey everyone, welcome back to Baby Gadget Picks. If you're looking for a simple, gentle, and convenient way to care for your baby's first little teeth, you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best baby silicone finger toothbrushes that can make early oral care easier and more comfortable for both parents and babies. So let's dive in and find out which one could be the perfect choice for your little one's daily dental routine. Let's get started. Number 1. Cherish Baby Care Baby Toothbrush Set. The Cherish Baby Care Silicone Finger Toothbrush is a gentle and convenient choice for introducing healthy oral care to your little one. Designed for babies and toddlers, its soft silicone bristles provide a comfortable brushing experience while helping clean tiny teeth and massage delicate gums. The finger-style design gives parents better control during brushing, making it easier to reach hard-to-clean areas. Made with baby-friendly materials, it is simple to use, easy to clean, and comfortable for everyday oral care. Its compact design also makes it convenient for travel and on-the-go use. A practical and gentle option for parents looking to build good dental hygiene habits from an early age. Number 2. Jochebed Baby Finger Toothbrush. This baby silicone finger toothbrush is designed to make early oral care simple, gentle, and comfortable for little ones. Made from soft, food-grade silicone, it fits comfortably over a parent's finger, making it easy to clean a baby's delicate gums and emerging teeth. The gentle, silicone bristles help remove milk residue and everyday buildup while providing a soothing massage during teething. Its compact, lightweight design makes it convenient for daily use at home or while traveling. Easy to rinse and clean, this finger toothbrush is a practical choice for introducing healthy oral hygiene habits from an early age. A simple, gentle, and parent-friendly solution for baby gum care and first teeth cleaning. Number 3. Dr. Brown's 100% Silicone Baby Finger Toothbrush. The Dr. Brown's Silicone Finger Toothbrush is a gentle and convenient choice for caring for your baby's developing teeth and gums. Made with soft, flexible silicone, it comfortably fits over a parent's finger, making it easy to gently clean little mouths and introduce good oral care habits from an early age. Its simple finger design provides better control during brushing, while the included travel storage case helps keep the toothbrush clean and protected when you're on the go. Compact, reusable, and easy to clean, it's a practical addition to any baby's daily oral care routine. A great choice for parents looking for a gentle, hygienic, and travel-friendly baby toothbrush. Number 4. Itsy Bitsy Baby Toothbrush. The Itsy Bitsy Baby Toothbrush is designed to make early oral care simple, gentle, and comfortable for babies and toddlers, featuring a unique 360-degree silicone bristle design. It provides wide coverage to help clean little teeth and gums from different angles with fewer swipes. Made from soft, food-grade silicone, the toothbrush is gentle enough for delicate mouths while standing up to chewing and biting. Its flexible, universal finger fit design comfortably adapts to different finger sizes, making brushing easier for parents. The reusable toothbrush can be used with or without infant toothpaste and comes with a convenient carrying case for hygienic storage and travel. A practical choice for building healthy oral care habits from an early age. Number 5. Haka Silicone Baby Finger Toothbrush. The Haka Silicone Finger Toothbrush is a gentle and convenient way to help care for your baby's developing teeth and gums. Made from soft, food-grade silicone, it is designed to provide a comfortable brushing experience for infants and toddlers while helping parents introduce good oral hygiene habits early. Its simple finger brush design makes it easy to control and use, while the soft silicone bristles gently massage the gums and clean little teeth. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean, it's a practical choice for everyday baby dental care. Parents appreciate its simple design, gentle feel, and easy handling, making it a helpful addition to any baby's oral care routine. That's all for today's review. I hope this video helped you find the right silicone finger toothbrush for your little one. For more helpful baby product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides, don't forget to subscribe to Baby Gadget Picks and hit the bell icon. Check the description for product details and prices. Have questions? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.